Here we are at South Divine. This is the third floor, bonus 2 rooms. So here's we put the new doorway. It's finished. We just got to paint it and put the lock. So, and then here's over here. Remember we showed you that here we closed it up and plastered. And we're going to put new sheetrock here so it's all one ceiling. Come over in here. Okay. So the ceiling here, we're going to put sheetrock there, and here we're going to put like a 16-inch ceiling, and over here we're going to put a little shelf, and so it can be a little storage because it's a small room, or it's 2 rooms up here on the 3rd floor. Okay. Okay. Putting up the ceiling. Plaster man putting the corner bead for the getting ready for the plaster. We made a high ceiling. Makes a big difference, I believe. What we're doing here is we're going to put some blue tape so we can have a straight line, because when we do the plaster on the paneling, we want to keep the lines of the paneling straight because the sheetrock is different. There's no lines, but the paneling has lines. So if we're going to have to do a ghetto renovation plaster, we want to at least have it good looking as possible. South Divine ready to prepare the toilet and the floor. And we're going to paint this. I hope he finds a rubber ducky behind there. Plaster man with the scaffolding. So he walks on the plank. Check how it's coming. Okay, moving along. At Ghetto Renovations, we're always trying to maximize profits and or better use of rooms. One thing that I see here, this is the 3rd floor with 2 rooms. One thing, as I said, this 2 rooms up here is part of the 2nd floor, or possibly could be an extra bonus apartment. So what we're thinking is, do we put a doorway here so when you enter, this could be a separate bedroom, and maybe we're going to move this door so that we can have a straight wall here and then a straight corridor. So time will tell. We don't know. I mean, it's like a mystery.